So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I'm going to do a review on a piece of equipment that I have on my Harley that I use all the time. And in this review, I'm going to try to give you the review that I wish I would have been able to get when I was researching this product on YouTube. Something that, you know, you can actually get a feel of what the product looks like, what the install involves, and basically just thoughts and how you use it and your overall opinion of the quality of the product. So what is this product, you asked? Well, I'm glad you asked. It is the HD one-piece detachable Sissy Bar. This is something I use all the time. I didn't think that I was going to use it because I don't do a lot of two-up riding, but I strap stuff to this thing constantly. So let's go and let's get some views of it so you can actually see what it looks like, and then we'll go out to the garage and check out the install process. Alright guys, we're back out in the garage, and I'm basically just going to show you the docking hardware. It's very easy to put on. There's basically two screws where this docking hardware is, and you remove those, you put in the docking hardware. You can't get it confused. The rear one is wider than the front, and basically what this allows you to do, it allows you to take this Sissy Bar on and off very easily. So when you don't want it on your bike, it comes off super simple within seconds, and install super simple within seconds. Great system Harley has come up with. This one is a little bit pricier than your like Burley bar, but it really does, you know, you really do get what you pay for sometimes with Harley. The quality of this thing and just the fit and finish on it is remarkable. And as far as the detachable part where it actually mounts to the bike, solid as a rock. I was concerned that there was going to be some wiggle and, you know, it really wasn't going to be that tight, but it is solid as a rock. So once when you get this docking hardware on, they make two different sets. This is the standard one. They do make another one if you have saddlebags, that you can still accommodate saddlebags on there too, which is pretty cool. So to install this, all we do is we take the Sissy Bar, we slide the grooves into the front hardware just like that. Go ahead and line up the back, and we give it a push down and snap those in place. Sissy Bar is installed, and as you can tell, it is very solid indeed. And to get it off, it's just as easy. There's two little quick releases back here. Push them forward, pick it up, slide it off. Sissy Bar's off. Done. Let me get you a rear view of this, and you can see how it goes on from the rear. Okay, guys, so after you have the front slipped in, you just line these up with the rear pegs, and you just give it a push down, lock those in. Simple as that. Installed. Let me see if I can get you another view of the clips. How these clips work is right back here, there's a little lever. You just pull that on both sides and give them a push up, comes right off. And to put it back on, line them up, both sides, push down, click that in locking position, and you are installed. So there you go, guys. We got a good look at it. I went over the install process. I showed you how it clipped on and off. It's a very high quality Sissy Bar. I know that sounds kind of ridiculous because basically they're just a piece of metal, but the detachable system they have is really great. It's solid as a rock. It's a very easy install. You just need some all you need is some Torx bits and a wrench. It's basically 4 bolts, 2 on each side. When I got this thing, I originally got it for the purpose of riding 2-up with my wife, which we've done a couple times, not a lot. But where I've really used this thing a lot is strapping stuff to it. Backpacks, bags, things like that. When I go out on a long ride, I can strap a backpack to it, carry all the stuff that I need, especially since I'm making videos. I do have a lot of equipment that has to come with me. And, you know, earlier I was dealing with backpacks and things like that, trying to figure it out. And I was like, man, what an idiot. I have a Sissy Bar. I'll just strap it to the Sissy Bar. And that's what I've been doing, and it works great. There's no weight on your back. It's on the bike, and you're able to carry everything you need to carry. And bags that slip over the actual Sissy Bar, so there's not a lot of straps and a lot of things that kind of clutter up, which I really don't like. I like a good clean look, and that gives you that. And there's tons of room. Biltwell makes one in general that they call, I think it's the 80 fill, where it holds like 80 beer cans. That's the way they do their measurements. They don't do it in inches. They do it in how many beer cans you can fit in it. But they have one that holds 80. I think they have one that holds 8 and a few other things, but they're really clean and they work perfectly on that bar. And I looked at some of the Burley brands and whatnot when I was doing it, but I wasn't set on having that thing on my bike the entire time. I like the way it looks, don't get me wrong, but sometimes I like to just take it off and get that nice clean look. And with this Harley brand, you can do that. Like you saw earlier, it snaps on and off very easy. And if you guys are worried about any quality or fit and finish issues, do not worry about that at all. This Harley's done a great job on this particular Sissy Bar. I love it. I give it 2 thumbs up. But anyway, guys, that's about it. I hope this video was informative and if answered some questions for you. If you have any more, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And like always, guys, thanks for tuning in and letting me waste your time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. I would appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. There should be a button right over here in the right-hand corner that's going to get you all hooked up. And like always, guys, ride safe and be careful out there. Later.